Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be installing this Outre Perfect Hairline Swoop series unit. This unit is a glueless 13x4 lace frontal wig in the color Burgundy Flame. Guys, look at this color. It is so beautiful. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and it comes styled as a side part. And off camera, I just apply my foundation over the lace. I'm using this mold and hold hairspray that I got from Instagram, but you can use any adhesive holding spray you may have. I am using my blow dryer on cool to dry the adhesive. I will be applying several layers on my hairline because I would like for this install to last several days. After placing the wig on my head, I did realize this wig is a tad bit small on me. I naturally have a big head, so I've learned to work around this. And with that, I'll just be cutting the lace into small sections to help the lace lay properly on my head. After cutting the lace into sections, I'll then go over the hairline with the same molding spray I used earlier. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and blow dryer on hot heat to get a melted look. Next, while I'm giving this lace a little bit more time to dry, I'll start defining the side part just to make the process a little quicker for me. Guys, look, this lace is already melted, okay? It's not even finished, but it's already looking good so far. Now, when it comes to cutting the lace, I like to cut my lace with an eyebrow razor because it gives the hairline a jagged look to make it look more natural. Because I feel like when I use scissors, I don't get the same results as I naturally would with this razor, so I preferred a razor over scissors. For my edges, I like to pull out a medium section of the hairline and then pluck out the area to thin it out, and I'll also be plucking around the hairline as well for a more natural look. I'll then go over it with my elastic band and blow dryer. You will notice throughout this video that I'll be using my elastic band and blow dryer several times, and that's because, again, I need this wig to hold on for several days. So I'm going to do everything that I can for it to last as long as possible. For the edges, I'll be going in with my Got2b gel to lay down the edges. You can go as thick or as thin as you would like when it comes to your edges. For me, I just personally like to go with thick edges because I feel like it suits my face better, but to each their own. If you like thinner edges, just go thinner. I'll then take my hot comb and spritz on low heat settings to flatten the top to give it a natural look. I'll then comb the hair from the bottom to the top to get rid of any tangles and loose hair when I was plucking out the edges earlier. For the final step, I'll be using my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 16 to blend the lace with my skin tone. Then I'll use a shade or two lighter from my foundation to enhance the parting space. Now my favorite part, guys, like, okay, I ate down with this. Look at this, okay? So for this part, you just want to play around with the hair until you get your desired look. Now look at this layers. Look at the layers. You can't get layers like this anywhere else. And I love this color. Do you see this color? I got so many compliments on this hair. People couldn't even believe it was synthetic. I'm like, yes, baby, this is all synthetic. Being that this wig is so versatile, I did restyle this wig into a half up, half down, and a messy bun look. So if you'd like to see how I accomplish both looks, keep watching. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more, just let me know. Bye, lovelies. See you soon.